Still diving.
Hey.
Stop diving. Stop diving.
Actually, that could be really dangerous because I can go down here. I thought that was bigger.
Move it, working.
I thought it was bigger and it don't. Yeah, no,
Stand up. There it is. Next to it. That's a good shot. Good. Now that's a good shot. Okay? Drive, that's it. There you go. It's on top. Hey, you gotta stay tighter on that roll through. You were too loose.
And the girl threw right.